We have a very broken mental health care system. When I was in government at the very beginning, after one of the school shootings, actually, we had a press conference, and Rich Carmona was Surgeon General then, now pretty well known in Arizona because he's run for governor and senator a couple of times. And he was asked what he was going to do to fix the mental health care system, and he said nothing. And there was like this hushed silence amongst the reporters. Nobody could quite believe he said it. He said, I don't think we have a mental health care system to fix. There's nothing there. I mean, it's just so fragmented, it's so broken. Or we have so many systems, it's hard to identify which one really works. And I think that's probably even as true today as it was then, which was about 2005. Things are really have not gotten much better over time. If anything, they've gotten worse with less funding, less support on both the private and the public side. Commercially, it's under 5% of medical care on the commercial side is for mental health. So it's way, way underfunded.